Hello, I saw your question in the email. I guess you want to, identify each of these, which, set the numbers they belong to. I guess the first one is zero. Zero would be a rational, but it's not a natural number. The natural numbers, you probably need to pull out the definition I wrote on the board to have it out beside of you while you're trying to work these. The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. Those are the natural. That's the natural numbers. It's not a natural number because they start with 1, and we're talking about 0. It's not in this set. So if you had the definition beside of you, maybe while you're trying this, you might be able to help some. It is a rational, would be an integer. It is a whole number. The whole number starts with 0. It is a real number. Irrational, you need to understand, if it's rational, it's not irrational. It's always one or the other. It cannot be both. Okay? So it is a rational, but irrational is like the square root of 3 and pi. Up here, I guess square root of 13 would be irrational. Zero's rational. Hope this helps.